Hello everyone, my name is Rory. Today I am here to introduce a new product from our company, Top-Link Ball Socket. What's a top-link? Simply put, the top-link ball is a spherical joint designed to provide multi-directional movement between two components, while being able to withstand the tremendous pulling and pushing force. This product employs a steel-to-steel structure with steel balls pressed into the housing. Its dimensions are generally large to ensure high optional strength. When ordering top-link ball socket, the internal ball component is typically required to rotate extremely smoothly without any stuttering. This prevents biting or difficult rotation at the ends or other non-spherical connection points. The ball material is selected according to customer requirements. High-strength customers may choose 15-2100 bearing steel for heat treatment, while standard customers might choose for number 14.5 carbon steel, depending on budget and the required strength for operating environment. Okay, let's talk about the environment of use for welding ball joints. Top-link balls, which I have worked with, are normally used in mechanical connection scenarios requiring high-strength load-bearing capacity. For instance, they are commonly employed at both ends of hydraulic cylinders, in heavy-duty construction machinery, large agricultural equipment like tractors, and similar applications. The most distinctive feature of this top-link ball is its steel-to-steel construction, which provides exceptional load-bearing capacity and durability. Currently, this product features two primary top-link ball designs. The shoulder-type ball joint, also known as a stepped design, offers extra positioning support during installation. It's ideal for applications that require a fixed orientation or need to withstand lateral forces. This version usually comes with a mold fee, which is around $3,000. This is a top-link ball socket without a shoulder, so it has no stamp. That makes it perfect for joints that need room to move freely, and it helps the machine adjust itself while running. Right now, you don't have to pay any mold fee, just choose the size you need. Most of the parts are made from 14.5 carbon steel forging. If you need to weld, the surface will stay untreated, but for weld resistance and rust protection, we use zinc plating, so it can last longer and heavy load. A spherical ball made from 15-2100 bearing steel or 14.5 carbon steel with grinding and polishing. The surface is very smooth, allowing flexible rotation in all directions and reducing friction. For grease fitting for tough jobs, you need oil. This design includes a grease fitting so you can pump grease straight into the contact point. That keeps it smooth and makes it last much longer. It's a very simple design, built for heavy-duty machines and tough industrial work. Our balers mostly use this part at the end of hydraulic cylinders. It's popular with both industrial and farming customers, and the demand is usually pretty large. One of our past orders was for 400 pieces. The material is 14.5 carbon steel, and for this custom, we made a custom oil hole. They didn't want a grease fitting, but the hole alone still works for oil lubrication. When making samples, I prepared 3 pieces. Normally, the samples takes about 13 days, and mass orders of 1,000 units take about 45 to 15 days. We have our own factory, and before mass production, we always make a pre-production sample to ensure quality. After production, our QC team checks every base carefully. For packaging, we also accept custom requests. Normally, we use cartons on the outside, reinforced with wooden cases, so the goods arrive safe and intact. We also have the latest ISO certificates, making sure that both the raw materials and the products we make are always high quality. Right now, the toppling ball can be customized in many ways. For size, made in different sizes to match your needs. For materials, besides the standard choice, you can pick other materials for your working environments. For surface finish, most customers choose zinc plating on the housing and ball for better wear and rust protection. The colors include black, yellow, and white. Here is our latest single-page catalog. It shows every size of a well-toppling ball socket with joints for each one. We also separate them into no solder and solid types. So when we talk, we can just look at this page together. It's a quickly way to see the product specs and see what can be customized. You can use it alone as a regular ball joint head, but the best part is you can weld it. Just weld it onto the structure and you get a solid permanent joint without all the extra assembly work. It can also work with a rodent, so you can build linkages in different lengths to match your needs. Check out the RHA and WBJ series. We will keep adding more to this in the future. To sum up, this toppling ball socket is strong, well-resistant, and long-lasting. If you work with industrial or agricultural equipment, this is a reliable and cost-effective option. That's all for today's sharing about this product. Thank you for watching. While being able to withstand the tremendous pulling and pushing force. The material is 15.5. 不对，应该是 14.5. Spherical.